Hi, this is John with AIPHONE Tech Support. Welcome to AIPHONE's videos on the JO Series box sets. The JO Series box sets come with a complete set of instructions for operation and installation. Save time and avoid headaches by reading those instructions. The box set includes the JO1MD master, a video door station, and the PS1820UL power supply. There are 3 different JO Series box sets. The JOS1F set features our stainless steel flush mount door station. The JOS1V includes our vandal-resistant surface mount door station, and the JOS1A features our surface mount plastic door station. For this demonstration, we will install the JOS1A. We will need a set of wire strippers or cutters, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. The flush mount door station and surface mount vandal stations will come with a unique security driver. Remove the front panel to gain access to the mounting screw. Separate the mounting bracket from the door station. Attach the door station's mounting bracket to the gang box. Ensure that it is level prior to tightening. Connect the 871802 18-gauge 2-conductor cable to the A1, A2 terminals on the back of the JODA. Make sure there are no exposed wires to avoid shorting out the system. Now mount the JODA to the bracket and replace the front panel. Separate the mounting bracket from the master station. Attach the master station's mounting bracket to the gang box. Once again, before tightening, make sure it is level. Connect the 2-conductor cable marked door to the A1, A2 terminals on the back of the JO1MD. Connect the 2-conductor cable marked power to the positive and negative terminals. If using a door strike, connect the door strike and power source wires to the L and L terminals. We can now mount the JO1MD. We will now connect the power supply. Remove the cover protecting the terminals on the power supply. Terminate the wires to the positive and negative terminals. Plug in the power cord to the power supply. Finally, plug in the power cord to the wall outlet. We can now test the system.
Can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can.
Awesome.
For additional information on this system, visit our website. Thanks for watching.